Hello everyone. A very good morning. Hello beta Sapna, Danesh, Shivangi, Abdul, Alok. Beta show me your presence fast everyone. How many of you are there? Message me fast. Today we are starting our very important session. This is the last session, last class for this session, and consolidated financial statement is going on. Today we shall be practicing the very comprehensive question. I'm also fine, Danesh. Manoj, good morning. Good morning, Meta Jyoti, Piyush, Arun. Very nice. So I am also fine, Beta. Beta, have you practiced questions of study material? Today I will show you the past examination question also, and we shall be practicing a huge comprehensive question from ICA study material. Should we start without wasting time? As you know, I always start directly to the topic. Okay, beta, let's start. Beta, before moving further, always there must be revision. As you already know, my habit, before moving further, I always revise up to the topics covered up to the last class. Consolidated financial statement, as I told you, beta, in this case, these will be the steps, basic fundamentals, then concept with examples, and then study material questions. Okay, beta. And we have done this thing and this thing also along with the study material questions we are practicing. Beta, today we shall be practicing first question number 5. But before moving further, I want to revise with you all the concept discussed up to the last class. Beta, see. These are the list of concepts. Today we will liquidate syllabus for paper 5. Yeah, but the relation should not be liquidated, Danesh. I will be waiting for all of you, your Google review. At each and every session, I want to ask you all, always. Last session, students have also given me Google review. That is a lifetime memory with me. Anyways, now see. Dividend adjustments, what we learned from here, beta, and bonus adjustments and abnormal loss or gain adjustment. Beta, in this case, what we learned, there are 3 steps. Listen to me very carefully. For this, I am writing here star 1. What I am writing here, beta? Star 1. I am revising your concept. Beta, main effect is now only for the analysis of profit. You have learned all the things that only the analysis of profit is there. That creates difference. Rest all the presentation are same. Rest all the consideration steps are same. Even though AS is saying it is line by line. Beta, see. Step number first. What we have learned here? Add back, or you can say uneffect. I am writing here, not add back. I am writing here uneffect. Uneffect the profit or loss. Where effect has gone? Where effect has gone? Beta, step number first. We did it. Very helpful to attend your lecture. Thanks to BOS. I could attend all earlier also. Okay, beta, Anuradha. I'm also feeling happy with you all. I want to request all of you, give your Google review. Search as Google and give me a review, whatever the feeling you are having. Anyways, beta, step number first. Unaffect the profit and loss, where the effect has gone. If abnormal loss is there, then definitely that has affected the profit and loss. Yes. First, unaffect. From where such has been reduced, there must be add back first. If abnormal gain is there, then that has been credited to profit and loss. Yes. In that case, the profit has been increased. Then first reduce the profit. Okay, beta. Step number first is this one. Step number 2. Now apply time adjustment. If there is any time adjustment requirement, then apply time adjustment. Just to make the correct segregation of the profit that belongs to pre or that belongs to post. Now, step number 3. Now re-effect. Whatever you have done in step first, you have uneffect, then applied the time adjustment, and after that, step number 3, that re-effect the profit and loss to which period such belong, beta, to which period such belong. Very easy, very easy. As I told you, beta, consolidated financial statement chapter is really very easy from the starting. But only the thing is that if you are practicing systematically, only then you will be able to say like this. But if you are not practicing in a systematic way, then definitely we will also in the queue that who are saying that this is the accounts world's heaviest chapter. No. Anyways, so this is star number 1. Now, next point is there. That is this one, star number 2. This was star number 1. This was star number 1. This was star number 1. Now, star number 2 is there. But what we learn here? There may be I am writing here star number 2. There may be a case holding to subsidiary that is called downward stream. But a theoretical question is also covered here. Downward stream. Vice versa, upward stream. But the person who have credited its profit and loss on the stock which is still lying within the group. The person who has credited its profit and loss for the stock lying within the group, that profit part must be reduced from both the side, from the stock, because that is also lying in the group, because this is the consolidated balance sheet for the group from the control point of view, and also the profit and loss in which the effect has gone, that has to be reduced. So beta, in this case, can you please tell me, everyone, I am waiting. Can you please tell, in such case, downward stream, which profit and loss you will be reducing and which inventory you will be reducing? I am waiting for an answer, beta. Tell me fast. This is the downward stream. Those which are दिल से आपको पढ़ाना. Jyoti, yes, no beta, Jyoti, this is the downward stream. Jyoti beta, holding company to subsidiary company, it means profit and loss of H Limited will get reduced, and inventory of S Limited is having the profit content which H Limited has sold. Yes, in that case, inventory of S Limited, which is also being consolidated with the inventory of holding company in consolidated balance sheet, inventory that will get reduced. But vice versa now. Very good. Very good answer, beta Dinesh. Very inventory of debtors and profit and creditor. Yes, beta. Very good, Alok. Very good answer by Abdul. Shabash, beta, everyone. Next, beta, please revise first with me all the concept of this chapter, and after that we shall be practicing a comprehensive question. Okay. Now see, vice versa case may be. Sir, vice versa? Yes. Otherwise case, if S Limited has sold goods to H Limited, beta, that belongs to that is called upward stream transaction. But in this case, can you please tell me which profit and loss should be reduced and which inventory should be reduced? I am waiting, beta, everyone. I am waiting. From where you will be reducing these? I am waiting, beta ji. I am waiting. You know, in case of H Limited, in the earlier transaction, downward transaction, you have reduced the profit and loss of H Limited from consolidated reserve and surplus, in which you are having the profit and loss account balance of H Limited. Yes, sir. And now in this case, from where you will get reduced? I am waiting, beta. Of course, S Limited has sold to subsidiary holding company on profit, and stock is still lying. If stock is lying within the group, it means in the inventory of H Limited, we are having the stock which was sold by S Limited to H Limited, and that stock is also having some profit content, it means the profit which is unrealized called stock reserve is there. But inventory of H Limited is at upper cost. Yes, sir. First, we have to reduce the inventory. Yes, sir. The person who has credited its profit and loss, that will reduce. Yes. Who's that? That is S Limited. And S Limited profit is in analysis of profit. Yes. Beta, from where we can reduce? From where we can reduce? Beta, the transaction in which period such occurred, in pre or post, in pre or post. From there, we shall reduce. Although there is no question which is reducing the profit from the pre, but still I am telling you in the transaction period such will be reduced. Abdul, can we have the case where both the companies selling? Yes, beta, definitely we can have. Very good. It is really a standard question. This is called your level, beta. Beta, Abdul is asking, sir, can we have the question which both the transaction are there? It means mutual sales are there. Yes, beta. In that case, both the things will be come in the same question. Definitely that can be. Possibilities are there. Shivangi, sir, profit of S Limited reduce and inventory of S. Very good. But we have to learn the profit and loss of S Limited is in at which place in our question, in our solution, beta, in working note, beta, analysis of profit. Okay. Now, after that, now I am moving to star 3. Beta, these are what? These are star 3. In our question, whatever the maximum things we can have, we are revising all the things first. After that, we shall be practicing comprehensive question. Beta, I am writing here star 3. Star 3. Of course, that is what? Contra items. शादी से पहले माल बेचा, फिर बेटे शादी से पहले उधार दिया, शादी हो गई, फिर बेटे उधार नहीं मिलेगा, इसलिए शादी से पहले उधार नहीं देना, आपको पता है. Contra items, contra or mutual items. So both in the balance sheet, we shall be having debtors and creditors. Debtors and creditors. इसीलिए कहते हैं शादी से पहले किसी को लोन नहीं दो आपस में एक दूसरे को. Minus contra. That's the reason I used to say don't give loan to your would-be partner. Anyways, now star number 3. Beta, star number 3 is for this one. This is the 9th transaction, and I'm writing here star number 4. Sorry, star number 4, revaluation. In the question, we have to consider. Okay, I am writing here star number 4 first. First, I am writing here star number 4. This is what? Star number 4. It means I am talking about revaluation. Beta, you know, in the question, we shall be having a complete year. Yes, sir. We are having the date of acquisition. Yes. Question make us confused by giving different date revaluation, but we have to consider the revaluation value, market value of such date. That is, the revaluation profit must be of this date. Date of acquisition, there should be a market value. We have to consider market value of this date. Market value may be of different date. Market value may be of different date for the fixed assets, but we have to consider only the date of acquisition market value. At that date, we have to calculate the book value based on the calculation of depreciation, and then we shall be finding the capital profit or loss. And after that, this will be the capital profit or loss. And on that, the effect will be there for depreciation, either additional depreciation or saving of depreciation in the post-acquisition period. Okay. Now, the last thing I'm going to revise with you all, that is dividend. Again, dividend. Sir, again, dividend. Yes, some more things are there to be discussed here. Star 5, I am writing here star 5, and star 5 I am writing with this also. Okay, what we learned till the last class regarding the dividend, I am showing you here again the same thing. But there are two types of dividend. Of course, one is final dividend, and second one is interim dividend. Beta, we have to take care of one thing. First, we shall unaffect. First, what we shall do? First, we shall unaffect I am writing here with this for the purpose of dividend star 5 also. This is really very, very important. Definitely it will be coming in the exam. Always, always, whenever the question of holding is there, whether in final or in interlevel, always such question is asked. Dividend. But the same steps will be applied. Yes, sir. First we shall uneffect. It means first we shall add back the profit, the dividend part in the profit from where such has been effected. Okay, beta. First, definitely always there will be the profit and loss year ending. It means post acquisition period profit has been effected. Now you will be added back. Yes. And after that, applying the time adjustment, if there is any requirement, yes. Then you have to decide the dividend is final. Dividend is final. You can note it down. Dividend is final or interim. It totally depends on the question. If question is saying that there is interim, only then we shall presume it as an interim dividend. Otherwise, there will always be final dividend. Beta, I am waiting for a message. Show me your activeness first, that you all are active, because there is lengthy time. From that, I couldn't get any message. I am waiting, beta. Shivangi, Abdul, Krishnan, Jyoti, Danesh, Alok, Sapna, Anuradha, Manoj, Piyush, Arun Shinde, and all rest of the students. Show me your activeness first, everyone. Show me your activeness first. You must be active, because this is a really very, very important adjustment. I am here. Yes, yes, yes. I want a message from all of you, beta. Only some of the person are giving here message. I want answer from all of you, beta. Only Alok, Dinesh, Krishnan, Jyoti, Abdul, Sapna has answered. Rest all are enjoying something else. Paratha, etc. Okay. Beta, see. The final dividend is there. Always that belongs to pre. Always belongs to whom such belongs. Bolo, beta. To whom such belongs? Of course, that belongs to pre. Because proposed dividend will not come in your exam normally. Okay. And interim depends on the date, in which date such has been, that is always for the current. Yes. But see what I'm telling you. Both, if date of acquisition is not at the starting, then definitely such belongs to both. Some part will be for pre, because in the current year the period has been divided into two. If date of acquisition is other than the opening date, then the period of current year has been divided into two. Some will go to pre and some will go to post, of course. If the date of acquisition is starting, only then in that case such will be post. It totally depends on date of acquisition. It totally depends on date of acquisition. That will be post if date of acquisition is at start. Okay, beta. Otherwise, there will be some part in both, some part in pre, and that will be in some part in post. Now, last point. Pre-acquisition, if final dividend is there, then always it is pre, no doubt. Now, my last question is there. If written only dividend, what should we presume, that it is final or interim? Because based on that, the transaction treatment will be different. Yes, but always presume that dividend is final, because interim dividend are usually not taken into decision until and unless special things happen. Okay, beta. So until and unless there is nothing given, then always pre-assume that such is. If question is silent, then always pre-assume it is final dividend. Now my question is moving to another side. This is the decision. This is the point to decide whether dividend is final or interim. Number one. Yes, beta. Now another point is there, which is really very, very important. Beta, is it necessary in the pre-acquisition period you are having the profit. Suppose final dividend is there and we are not having any balance in pre-acquisition. I want to revise with you all some concepts related to sources of dividend. You have already learned sources in the first group. Sources of. Beta, you have learned these things. What, sir? Sources of distribution. As per law, you have learned in the final account chapter. Yes, sir. What we have learned? Sir, we have learned many things. The dividend cannot be rated at that rate, more than that rate, average of that rate. But there are sources also. In the bonus case, you are having first to utilize the capital profits. Yes, sir. And after that, you will be utilizing for the bonus revenue profits. Yes, sir. But in the case of dividend, you are having vice versa sequence. Yes. In this case, you will be always having first revenue profit utilization first. Suppose in the revenue profit also. Yes, beta. Very good. Accept revolution. Shabash, beta, Danesh. I am writing here. In the case of revenue profit also, you are having two things to consider. If you are remembering the law provision, whatever you have learned in the first group, financial statement chapter, schedule 3. First, you are using the current year revenue profit. So current year revenue profit, beta, to which year such dividend belongs? First, you will be utilizing the revenue profit of that year. Yes. And if those are not sufficient, then you will be utilizing the opening balance of revenue nature. It means past revenue profits will be there to be utilized first. Like general reserve, more than that we cannot withdraw general reserve. You have done all the things. I'm not gonna revise those things because that is not part of the syllabus, but still I'm revising so that you may be linking. And second one is there. If still profit is not sufficient, only then you will be utilizing the capital profits. Yes, sir. Now my question is, although I say study material has not covered so huge advanced questions in the practice, but still concept has been covered fully. So I'm gonna show you the case, what the maximum level of the case may be there in the question. Beta, suppose in the pre-acquisition period, suppose you are solving the question and there is a question in which you are having this one, year number 1 and year number 2. You are in the year number 2. This is your current year. And in this case, you want to distribute the dividend. You have seen the question and dividend is there. That is 10,000 that has been distributed. Okay, sir. But the opening balance while you will be calculating the you will be preparing the analysis of profit. Then you are preparing this analysis of profit. Yes, sir. This is what your analysis of profit. And date of acquisition is there. This one, suppose the date of acquisition is this one. Please listen to me very carefully because question is not there. Beta, only realize in cash, beta, of course, Dinesh. Beta, pre and post in this case, and this is what closing. But I am telling you, suppose dividend has been written and that means final dividend. Of course, the dividend belongs to which year? Of course, the dividend belongs to such year. Yes. Such year dividend has been given in this case. Yes, sir. Now my question is, if analysis, in the case of analysis of profit, you have done written here profit and loss. Okay. And you have applied the time adjustment. No need because date of acquisition is at beginning. Okay. Now my question is, from which dividend has been reduced, that has to be added. Yes, because in the case of this scenario, the dividend of 10,000 has been reduced in the post because the dividend decision was taken during the year. It means opening balance has not been reduced. Of course, in that case, beta, after adding back, you will be finding the profit here in this way. After adding the 10,000, yes, sir. There is no need to apply time adjustment. Now my question is, it is final dividend? Yes. Such belongs to past year? Yes. In that case, remember, you are in this current year and you want to distribute the dividend for the earlier year. In that case, for the dividend, your current year will be which year will be current year? Of course, the last year is there, which will be called the current year as per law for the purpose of distribution of dividend. It means you will be utilizing first dividend from here. Yes. You want to reduce dividend from here because that belongs to pre-acquisition. So we shall be reducing from the pre-acquisition, of course. Yes, sir. My question is, if after applying all the things, you are having here only 2,000 profit, which can be called as per the analysis, that is called that is capital nature. And you have to distribute in the current year 10,000. Yes. So can you distribute such from the earlier profit? No. Beta, you can distribute only whatever you are having the pre. In that case, beta, first you shall be utilizing the profit to which year such belongs. Yes, sir. If still the balance is not there, then you have to reduce such things from here. Such thing from here. Okay, beta. Another case may be there. Now I am taking another case. Can I take? Yes. Sir, will it call pre-acquisition? Yes, beta. Will we have to do the same treatment in the books of holding company? Yes, beta. For the rectification of error? Yes, because the definition of pre-acquisition dividend is saying either that belongs to pre, whatever the case may be there from where such has been distributed. Main thing is there. Pre-acquisition dividend definition are having two lines. Number one, the dividend belongs to pre-acquisition period. That is sufficient to make the rectification of error. Okay. And if we are having another point, what is that, sir? This one, beta. If we are having this one, this is the scenario. If we are having year number 1, year number 2, beta, we are in year number 2. This is the date of acquisition. And we have distributed here dividend. That is called, if question is writing here, interim dividend. Interim dividend. That is 10,000. If question is saying not the final dividend, neither is it is silent, nor it is saying final, and question is saying interim. Beta C. As per analysis of profit, you will be practicing in this way. Yes, sir. Up to this, that will be pre, because that is the beginning of the year and that is the date of acquisition also. And this is what this is closing, and this is what this is post acquisition, beta. In that case, you will be having the balance, some in the pre and some in post, and this is what closing. Now first you will be adding back. Add back, because the profit or loss has been affected in the current year. Yes. So first you will be adding back 10,000. Yes, sir. Very good, beta. Abdul, you are saying correct. After that, we shall be having some balance in pre and post. Yes. Now my question is, beta. Now my question is, there may be a case that you will be having less amount of profit to reduce such dividend, because you want to reduce from here interim dividend. First tell me, interim dividend belongs to post or pre-acquisition? Of course post, because that is after the date of acquisition belonging to current year, and date of acquisition is at the beginning. There is no part of the year which can be called pre. It means whole the dividend which is called interim here, that belongs to post acquisition. But in such case, you want to reduce 10,000. But if you are having less amount of balance here, suppose you are having here Only 4,000. Can you reduce such 10,000? No. Can you distribute the such dividend in the current year? Yes, because source allow first utilize the current year. It means to which year such profit belongs, dividend belongs. First utilize the that year profit and then go to the revenue of earlier year. And if we still that is not sufficient, then go to the capital profit also. Okay. In that case, I will be utilizing first this 4,000, number one. And then I shall be utilizing the earlier year, that is pre-acquisition period revenue profit. If pre-acquisition period revenue profit is not there, then pre-acquisition capital profit can also be utilized. So allow me. It means 6,000 will be reduced from here. Sir, now tell me, is it pre-acquisition dividend or post-acquisition dividend? Should I do the rectification accounting treatment in the books of holding company? I will tell. But first, I want answer from all of you, beta. Give me your answer, beta. I am waiting, beta. What do you understand by this thing? We should apply rectification of error in the books of holding company or not? Question number one. It totally depends on whether there is any pre-acquisition dividend. Whether there is any pre-acquisition dividend. I am waiting, beta. I am waiting, beta. Show me your answer. Danesh, Abdul, Shivangi, Alok, Jyoti, Pulkit, Manoj, Piyush, Sapna, and all rest of the students. Tell me, is there any pre-acquisition dividend? You have learned the definition of pre-acquisition dividend. First line I have already explained you for the period belonging to pre. Another point was also there. Sir, if there is loss in the year. Very good, Danesh. Beta, second point, beta Abdul, I will answer your query. Wait a minute. Now, first, let me answer. Clear this first. Beta, the definition of pre-acquisition dividend are having two lines. Number one, either the dividend belongs to pre-acquisition period. Second one is also there. वहां पर दूसरी लाइन भी थी. Yes. Very good, Danesh. If the profit is being distributed out of pre-acquisition profit, beta, if dividend is being distributed for the post-acquisition, that is revenue nature, but if we are using the capital profit, that is pre-acquisition profit, then also it will be called as pre-acquisition dividend. Very, very good. So, beta, for 6,000, there will be rectification of error treatment. Okay, this will become pre-acquisition, even though such belongs to post-acquisition, still such will become pre-acquisition dividend, because beta, we are utilizing here the pre-acquisition profits. Okay, beta. The another line of definition was there. If we are distributing out of pre-acquisition, I hope I could communicate with you all in the proper manner, the proper things. Now, moving to the last point. Okay, we have already covered this. Now, beta, let's start today's session with the practice of question number 5. With the comprehensive question number 5. Beta, please mark this as revisionary question. This is also revisionary question. Very, very important. As like there was fourth question, comprehensive, in the same way, it is also comprehensive. Question number 5. Are you ready? Give me a ready, everyone. Give me a ready first. Show me your Josh, everyone. Can I start? I am waiting for a message. Shivangi, Krishnan, yes. All are ready. Yes. But see, on 31st March 2021, the balance sheet of H Limited and its subsidiary S Limited stood as follow. Beta, balance sheet has been given for both the companies holding and subsidiary. Equities and liabilities are there. Okay, share capital is there. Reserve and surplus are there. Beta, notes to accounts are there for each and everything. Trade payable are there. Short provision are there. Beta coming beta. Abdul, don't worry. Question will not be there. Usually question is not never comes for this topic, but still that can be easily done. Okay, beta. Now see that belongs to only theories, suppose. Okay, beta. See, current liabilities are there. In this case, whatever question is written here, dividend payable. Okay. Now, next, another point was also there. What is that, sir? Asset side. Beta, at inter level, you are following accounting standard, but in final level, you will be having Ind AS. And in case of Ind AS balance sheet, the asset sides are put it first in the format, and equities and liabilities are put it second time. Now, I am telling you just to make you the comfortable that all the things are really very, very easy. But see, what question is saying? Shares in S Limited. Shares in S Limited. Shares in S Limited are having how much cost? Those are having 3,000. Beta, every figure is in lakhs. So 3,000 lakhs. Okay, beta. Next one. Inventories are there, trade receivable are there, cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans and advances are there. Next, beta, notes to accounts are there. Okay. All the data has been given to for both the balance sheet. Okay. Beta, reserve and surplus balance are also there. See, if I am talking about the subsidiary company, then we will be analyzing the profit of subsidiary company. In the reserve and surplus, we will be having two balances: general reserve and profit and loss account closing balance on 31st year ending. Next one. Blood pressure is there. Okay. Maybe there could be some contra blood pressure, BP. Short-term provision for taxation, property, plant and equipment, trade receivable. Beta, we could be having the question contra, debtor, creditor. Okay. Now, after that, now moving to the adjustment. Beta, see what question is saying. First of all, read, underline, highlight. Prepare consolidated balance sheet. Beta, question ask us. Question requirement is there for preparation of consolidated balance sheet of S Limited with S Limited as at 31st March 2021. Beta, this is the main criteria which we should have. First, understand for what we shall be getting the marks. Consolidated balance sheet they need first. It means in the answer we should present the format of consolidated balance sheet first. Beta, just to save your time, I have already copied the format. So I'm gonna directly reach to the page where I have copied. So this is question number 5, for which I have already prepared the balance sheet format. Consolidated balance sheet. Please prepare a format fast. As at 31st March 2021. Save your time. Just to save your time, I have prepared already a format in advance. Please prepare a format fast, everyone. And always keep ready to prepare notes to accounts. Beta, don't waste your time in such a thinking that whether we should prepare notes to accounts for share capital reserve surplus or note. Beta, give a heading shareholder funds and prepare a working notes to accounts. Okay, beta. So note number 1 is there. Okay. Next one. Another point is also there. But this will never come in your exam. Next. Minority interest is there. For that, we shall be preparing the working note. Beta, in this question, beta, first check whether we are having non-current liabilities or not. I will be reading the adjustment after all these things. Okay, beta. Non-current liabilities we are not having in this question. Okay. Only the current liabilities we are having. Okay. So we shall be preparing the notes to account for current liabilities only. Notes to account. Beta, save your time and learn the presentation, how you should present your answer in exam so that you may be able to get 100% marks. number 3, and then number 4, because we are having both the things. And then I gave heading notes to accounts. Notes to accounts. Note number 1, shareholder funds. As usual, same format I have copied. The question belong to the last class. That was question number 4. Okay. Now prepare note number 2. Note number 2. Note number 2. And what is that? Of course, current liabilities and provisions. Please prepare format, everyone. Current year, previous year, current year, previous year. But I give heading. It totally depends on whatever the things we are having. Trade payable, short-term borrowings, short-term provisions. Okay. And other liabilities. Okay. Short-term provision for taxation and bills payable, trade payable and creditor. Okay. So beta, please prepare note according to the question. First, we are preparing here blood pressure, BP, bills payable, H limited and S limited. In this case, beta, we are having multiple things. Contra items are there for bills payable. Okay, beta. I am just preparing format. After that, I will give you chance first to solve the question. Then you will be having here contra items. B point is there, that is trade payable. Sorry, creditors, because trade payables are having BP and creditors both. Creditors, H limited and S limited. And in this question, we are having multiple adjustments. Out of them is there some. Okay, in this case, we are not having contra item for creditors. C. Provision for tax is there. Provision for tax is there. H limited and S limited, and there is no adjustment regarding this. Next one, dividend payable is there, but don't consider it as a proposed dividend. Usually students do mistake here. This is the final dividend which has still not paid. Now, as per law, there is no requirement for proposed dividend for your exam, but still I have practiced with you all. If question comes, then don't say that it is out of syllabus. Everything is on our control. S limited and S limited, dividend payable. Next one. After that, we are having note number 3, and that belongs to non-current assets. Okay. Then prepare a note for the non-current assets. Current year and previous year. Note number 3. non current assets. Beta, give me a message so that I can understand that all are active. They are not sleeping. I think someone has gone to sleep. A, tangible. Show me your presence, everyone, that all of you are awaking. Land and building. H limited and S limited. There is no revaluation adjustment like, okay. Okay, beta, I am writing just in the consolidation way. Okay, beta, even though dividend paper belongs to S limited, don't worry. Next. Okay, active. Yes. Plant and machinery is there. H limited is there and S limited is there. After that, furniture and fittings are there. H limited and S limited. Oh. B, intangible assets. Oh. Bete, always sing a song. Oh. That will not make you sleep. Never. Oh. During the question practice, if you are having some silence, then you will be gonna sleep. So always sing a song. Oh. That will always make you alert. Note number 3, and after that there is note number 4, that is of course current assets. Oh. Note number 4, we are having many current assets, so prepare accordingly. Okay, message me what the songs you are singing. Oh, yeah, something else. Note number 4, and don't say Jadoo Teri Nazar. Don't say. Tell me, everyone. Share with me what the songs you are enjoying during the practicing. Always sing a song which will make you alert. First one is inventories. S limited. वाह नालायक खुशबू तेरा बदन वाह H limited. Natu very good, very good. You all are really very advanced. At the time we were reading, then we were enjoying the different songs. तेरी उंगली पकड़ के चला, ममता के आंचल में चला बढ़ा, माँ मेरी माँ मैं तेरा लाडला. These were the song which we were enjoying at our study material, study time, and you are enjoying खुशबू तेरा बदन वाह. जमे से जागो जादू में. Okay. Anyways, okay, everyone is singing a song. Yes, it means everyone is alert. Very good. Very good. S limited. Is there any contra? Yes, there is contra. I am just saving your time. It will be you who will be solving first. I am here first preparing the format so that you could be prepared such thing easily. And after preparing a format, think you are in exam and you have the chance to solve fast. And I want to see how many of you will solve this properly. And don't go for the study mat solution. It is like a test. D. Cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent. In that case, H limited is there and S limited is also there. चलना तू बंदे रुकना तू बंदे राह पे चलना. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, अब्दुल. What do you think if I will request to ICI to revise all the concept full marathon for your full syllabus? It will take 8 to 9 hours. If you will request to ICI, then definitely I can do that. If Hindi students are there, then they can search my marathon. They can enjoy from there. Sundry advances. H limited and S limited is also there. So that will be total. Now after that, if you will be requesting only then, because ICI work only on the request of students, only for the student. But these notes we have already prepared, and after that, we shall be preparing here the working notes. I really want to do marathon with you, all of you. Complete syllabus revision. That may be 1 or 2 days. Anyways, that will totally depends on your request to ICI, and I will be enjoying the same. I will also request. Beta, graph is there. You will be preparing in working note number 1. Yes, sir. I am giving you. Yes, sir. We are ready. Beta, you can post give your review and to ICI feedback. In that feedback, you can request. Now, working note number 2 is also there. But I am giving something different working note number. So please maintain those. Now here I am preparing working note number 2 as cost of control. Up to the last class, it was working note number 1. In the working note number 1, we have prepared graph. Yes, beta. It will be helpful. Yes, that's the thing I want. But if Hindi students are there, then they can search YouTube. There are lots of marathon from my side. Okay, beta. But for all of you, we can revise. It totally depends on your request to ICI. Cost of control, because nowadays marathon seasons are there. Cost of control, cost of control. Yes, beta. You can already find. Anyways, working note number 2 is there. Then working note number 3 is there. In that case, you will be preparing minority interest, Actually, last batch suggested me such thing. So I thought I must share this thing that I'm ready for that, for the same. Working note number 2, working note number 3, and after that, beta, working note number 4 are also there. These are the beta pre, post, and closing. Post acquisition, pre acquisition, There are two parts in pre and post and closing also. One is general reserve and another one is profit and loss. General reserve, profit and loss. General reserve, profit and loss. Okay, beta. That's the reason I am telling you. Hindi student can find the marathon at YouTube by searching CA Jarati, but for English student, I can do marathon here because I don't think so. There is any marathon for English student, and ICA will be first if that will be doing these things. Anyways, analysis of profit. So, beta, you have to prepare here in this way: general reserve and then profit and loss. And after that, working note number 5 will be there for the consolidated reserve and surplus. Consolidated reserve and surplus. Working note number 5 is there, that is for consolidated reserves and surplus. Beta, here two things are there: general reserve and then profit and loss, and in that also H limited, and from S limited post acquisition, and if any rectification of error is there, then that has to be done. Yes, and H limited is there, and S limited is also there. From there you shall be reducing here number 1. Anyways, if there is any rectification of error, then you will be posting here. So beta, I want to take a break of 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, beta, consolidated reserve and surplus. Abdul, this one, working note number 5. I want to give you a break of 10 to 15 minutes so that it will be you. Imagine you are in exam and you are preparing the solution. But I have given here format video, shared format video just to make you more comfortable for solving the question. Working note number 5 is there. Sir, 29K subscribe capital. Okay. Yes, Alok. Anyways, now beta, I am giving you break. Sir, break लगा दीजिए अशोक जी. अभी आया नहीं शायद उसमें, एक मिनट। हाँ जी बच्चों, hello everyone. I hope I have given sufficient time to solve the question. Now, first show me your presence, and I'm gonna solve this question with you all. Please match. First, I shall be preparing graph, but please show me your presence, everyone. Date is 1st April 2020. This is date of year starting. And now at the year end, what is the date of, sir, kar do start. Okay, beta. Okay, Dinesh. Sir, done, but could not tell you. Yes, Jyoti. That's the reason I have given you all as a exam question, as you are sitting in an exam and you are solving the question. There may be some mistakes. So first let them solve. Okay, beta. Equity, share capital. Beta, here 3,000. Okay. 300 shares are there. Number of shares are 300. Okay, beta. And what about reserve and surplus? First, I'm preparing a graph which is showing all the things, general reserve and then profit and loss. Beta, general reserve 3,000 lakhs and profit and loss 1,200 lakhs. Next one. Let me check beta answer. Abdul, I'm solving. Date of acquisition, sorry, date of acquisition is same. This is also the date of acquisition. So there is no question for the time adjustment because balance sheet date, okay, opening date is there. That is the same date of acquisition. At the same date, on this date, dividend has been declared and paid. Dividend declared and paid. At the rate of 20%. Can I write here the figures? Can you please tell me the amount? 180 shares are there. For regard, I am okay. 300. Sorry, 300 shares are there total, and rupees 10 is there. Of course, it means 3,000 lakhs rupees are there for share capital, on which we have to declare 20% dividend. It means total dividend is 600. Out of such, we are having how much percentage we are having, beta? You know, here out of these 300, we have acquired how many shares? We have acquired 180 lakhs. 180 lakhs number of shares we have acquired. Can you please tell me the percentage? Of course, it is very, very easy. I think you have done, so I am not wasting your time. That is 60%, of course. 60% holding is there. Yes. So out of such total, what the dividend we are having in the hands of holding company? 600 multiplied by 60% is equal to 360. And you know the 360 is what? That is pre-acquisition dividend. Pre-acquisition dividend. Next one. Beta, bonus shares have been announced and issued on which date? This is the date on which bonus shares issued at the rate of 3:5. It means company has declared and issued bonus. How many shares are there? Total shares of companies were there 300. And when we will be applying the ratio, that will be 180 shares will be there. Okay, beta. will holding also get bonus shares? Yes, it means in its 180 there will be plus 180 shares have been acquired by holding company. Yes, definitely holding company is also having the bonus number of shares. Yes, in the same ratio, and that will be 108. It means at the year end, total number of shares in the hands of holding company will be 180 plus 10, that becomes 288. And total number of shares as an equity share capital at year end in the hands of holding, in the balance sheet of subsidiary company, there will be 300 plus 180 is equal to 480 number of shares will be there, which will be representing the share capital at year end. Now, one more thing is also there. I want to get the total figure for this bonus share. But at the rate of 10, there will be, of course, fully paid up. That is 1800 rupees will be there for the bonus shares amount. Yes, that will be utilizing the profit. Yes. What will the closing reserve and surplus for the same? General reserve and then profit and loss. But general reserve balance at the year end, we are finding from the balance sheet, we are having 1380 and then 1620. Of course. Okay. Now my question is, dividend has been declared on which date? Or 1st April? Yes, and paid. But the balance here has been brought forward as an opening balance. It means the closing balance of last year were carried down. It means these balances are still without reducing the bonus and reducing the bonus and dividend. But the year ending 1380 and 1620 are there, which have been calculated after, of course, after bonus and dividend also. So we shall be analyzing the profit here in this way. So 3000, all the figures are in lakhs, of course, 1200, then 1380, and in case of profit and loss, 1620. So post acquisition profit, it seems in regards to profit and loss, that will be 420, 420. And for this, it seems that there is withdrawal of reserve, that is 1620. You already learned how the withdrawal is done. Maximum withdrawal concept you have already learned in the financial statement chapter, schedule 3. Now, beta, after this, first find the final figure, that is 3000, 1200 minus 162. Okay, I'm giving minus sign here. Minus 1620 and then 420. So beta, first I am adding back. Add back. What I am adding back? Beta, I am adding back bonus and dividend, because that has been reduced from the post acquisition profit. Okay beta. So first add back plus bonus. How much is bonus amount? That is 1800 as per the question, and 600 is there, that is dividend. You know dividend, we have calculated the total dividend 600 and bonus 1800. Yes, we have added from where such have been reduced. Is there any requirement for time adjustment? Is there any requirement to apply time adjustment? No, there is no requirement to apply time adjustment. So all the profit belonging to pre is now in pre, and all the profit belonging to post is now in post. Now we have to apply the concept from where such has to be reduced. Beta, now I am waiting. You will tell me from where such should be reduced. First, go for the bonus. Sir, we have learned. What you have learned, beta? Sir, we have learned. What you have learned, beta? Sir, today also we have revised. What, beta? Sir, we have revised in regards to bonus and in regards to dividend. The source. Yes, beta, source. First, we shall utilize for the bonus capital nature profit. That is, of course, pre. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. We are utilizing this general reserve 1800 first. Okay. So is there any requirement to use revenue profit for the purpose of issuing bonus shares? Because bonus are having the priority first, we shall be utilizing the capital profit, then we shall be moving to the revenue nature profit. No, there is no requirement. Since 1800 amount is there and 3000 has completely utilized for the, 3000 had utilized for the bonus shares. Now beta see. Now we are moving to dividend. Dividend belongs to which year? Tell me everyone. Dividend belongs to which year? Of course, but last year. And last year revenue profits are there. In which, sir, opening balances. So first we shall be utilizing the opening balancing. Yes. How much is amount? That is 600. First we shall be utilizing from here. General reserve 600. But you may reduce from profit and loss also. That may create some different answer. Although capital profit will overall remain same. Is there any requirement to utilize revenue profit, post-acquisition profit? No, 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 no. So what is the final figure? That is 600 in pre. 600 will be in pre balance and 1200 is profit loss balance. Now revenue nature is there. That is 780 is for general reserve and for profit and loss that is 420 420 सुनने में कितना अच्छा लगता है नहीं सर सुनाने में अच्छा लगता है नहीं सुनने में नहीं सुनाने में okay now that will be distributed into two part of course no doubt first one is minority first give to outsiders second one is for holding and the percentages are there 40% for outsiders and 60% for own 648 480 6 24 224 6 24 और 6 छंग 36 12 चौक 48 12 छीं 72 780 312 माइनस 468 420 168 minus 252. What is the total for the minority? 240 plus 480 plus 312 plus 168. That is 1200. Very, very good, Abdul. Very good answer, beta. Shabash. And these will be transferred to whom? To whom? To whom? To whom? Cost of control. And this will be transferred to whom? To whom? To whom? Whom? Of course, consolidated reserve and surplus. And this will be transferred to whom? To whom? To whom? To whom? That is minority interest. So easy it is. This chapter is really very, very interesting and very, very easy. It totally depends on your steps, how you are practicing. So first we shall be giving to minority, that is share capital, and then it will come here all profits. I am writing here all profits, not separately. I am giving here total so that I can save my time in exam. These are the working notes. Okay, now I am moving to consolidated reserve and surplus and cost of control. First, I am moving to cost of control, working note number this one. Here will be investment definitely, and from that we shall be using the net assets acquired. This is what? This is 70%. I think it is good to give you question first and then to solve, because in that case you will be having the complete understanding of this this question. And pre-acquisition profits, and that is the total. How much? That is General reserve is, and profit and loss, general reserve 360. And what about profit and loss? 720. 720. That is 6 और 2 8, 3 और 7 10, 1080. Okay, very good, very good. All the students are answering perfectly. Beta 3120. Okay, wait, let me check. Okay, now one more thing is also there for the purpose of dividend. We have to consider one more thing, that 360 out of this total, there are two parts, minority part and holding part. Beta, we shall be doing the rectification of our error for this, because if nothing given, then always pre-assume that the rectification is there. Someone is saying capital reserve also there. Okay, beta, in the balance sheet there could be, beta, we shall be preparing the reserve surplus. And where is capital reserve? Okay, you have calculated. Wait a minute, I will check. So 60% is there, that is 360. So 360 is the amount. For that we have to give a rectification, and rectification in both that must be credited to investment, but that have been credited to P&L. Okay. So how we shall consider? First, we shall be rectifying here. Rectification of error, the investment account balance for the pre-acquisition dividend we have to rectify here. 360 there, that has to be reduced from here, because that must be reduced from investment, but that have been reduced. Sorry, but that have been posted to the P&L. Okay, beta. Now, what the balance is there for consolidated reserve and surplus? Come on, there you have to correct. This is the note for your reserve and surplus. Okay, working note number 3 is there. Okay, working note number 3 is there. And working note number 3 is there. Where is working note number 3? Okay, working note number 5 is there. Sorry. General reserve, whatever the case may be, P&L, there should be rectification of error. Rectification of error for pre-acquisition dividend. It is always presumed that such have been credited to P&L. It means that have been added to the P&L of holding company, and the holding company profit loss is being corrected now by rupees 360. By rupees 360 pre-acquisition dividend. Are you singing a song? Now moving to next part of the adjustment. Is there any adjustment further which we need to consider? We have considered all the things. We have done these things. I don't think so there is any requirement to read with you all these things. Now the question is for contra. Now I am practicing with you all line by line. Can I do this now line by line? Yes. Starting from the share capital. So share capital will be distributed into two parts. Okay. There are two share capital. One is of holding company, but a holding company share capital will be put it here. See, what is the amount of share capital of holding company? That is 12,000. That has to be put it here. Okay, beta. So I am giving here this one. So that is 12,000. I am saving your time, beta. You should give here authorized capital also, but I am not giving right now just to save you time. Okay, and now what about the share capital of subsidiary company? That will be divided into two parts, working note number 2 and 3, cost of control and minority interest. So in the share capital, first we shall, what is the amount of share capital? That is 4,800, and 4,800 shall be divided into two parts. First one is 70%. 4,800 multiplied by 70%. That is 36. Wait a minute. 4,800, na? 60%, that is, sorry, 4800 multiplied by 60%, that is 2880. And what about the rest? 4800 multiplied by, sorry, this is 60%. I have written here 70%. 60% it is. And this is what? This is 40%. Yes, come on. This is 1920. Now total becomes 1920. Total becomes how much? 2 0 2 no 11 1 और 1 2 और 1 3 3120. And what about this? Investment account will be there. 8 और 8 16, 1 और 8 9, 2 और 1 3. Okay, investment will be put it here. Next one is there. After this, now moving to reserve and surplus, we have consolidated this 1 2. Now moving to third, trade payable. Okay, current liabilities there. Current liabilities are there. What is the amount of trade payable? 1461. And yes, beta, 60%. Yes. Okay, 1461 and 854. 1461 and 854. That becomes total 2315. There is no contra debtor creditors. Next one. Beta, if speed is fast, then please let me know so that I can slow down. Slow my speed. Blood pressure, that is 372 and then 160. 6 7 13. 1 और 1 2 और 3 5. Beta, there is some contra, that is rupees 45. Corresponding effect will be in bills receivable. I am giving here. Please show me the timelines, sir. Timeline. You are asking about the graph, I think. Beta, you are asking about graph. Beta, let me know that you are asking about graph. Please see. If you want to see this graph, okay, then please see this graph. Take picture of the same. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can also show their presence by giving their likes, shares, comment, etc. They can also enjoy. Anyways, now coming back to the part, beta. See, Babu. Next part is there, that is short-term provision. Beta, short-term provisions are there. Short-term provision are there in which you are finding the provision for tax, and that is 855 and 394 1249. Next one is what? Property, plant and equipment. Beta, this one 6. Property, plant and equipment. Is anything which we have left? Yes, sir. Dividend payable is also there. Okay. So we have done these, and now this is to be done. Okay, then put this figure first. That is 1200 for holding company. No any figure for liability as limited. Sir, why we are not deducting 25% stock reserve from the creditors? Because beta, creditors and debtors are having the mutual balance. Those have to be reduced. Okay, beta. Now please see. Next one. After that, we are moving to property, plant and equipment. So you are asking about the debtor creditor. Beta, see. Why we are not reducing debtor creditor? See, on 31st March 2021, as limited inventories included this one. Beta, question is given that which it had purchased 100 lakh from H Limited. On this case, profit is there 25%. But you can assume that is still the same balances are there still in the balance sheet. Then you can reduce if you are taking a similar assumption, because they are saying head that may belongs to earlier also. Okay, beta. You may give assumption. You can also solve in that manner. Okay, beta. Anyways, now please back to the part. Now property, plant and equipment is there. That is property, plant and equipment. Go to the notes first. Land and building 2718. Then no land and building there. It means 2718 is total. Plant and machinery 4905. Beta, one more topic is there, that is consolidation profit and loss. Beta, that will be discussed here. Okay, beta. So please be there, because that is also to be covered. And in exam also you will be finding the same thing. And we shall be solving some exam question also today. After this, 1845, then 586. Beta, if speed is fast, then you can tell me, you can make me slow. There is nothing which can be posted here now. The total becomes how much? 14954. Next, now moving to the current assets. Beta, first there is, what is there in the current assets? Inventory is there. After that, trade receivable. First, put the figure of inventory. Inventories 3949. Okay, 1956. 6 कितना हो गया? 6 और 4 10, 1 9 10 18 और 19 5905. Okay, there is unrealized profit. Beta, tell me, it is downward or upward transaction? I am waiting, beta. It is downward or upward transaction? Who will tell me the adjustment you have read? Who will tell me this is downward or upward transaction? Sir. Yes, beta. So yes. S Limited's inventory included. It means S Limited on the purchaser side. Yes. It means profit has been added by holding company. Yes. How much amount is there? Sir, 100 is the transaction price and 25 is the profit in 125, because 100 is cost, then 25 on cost, that becomes 125. It means 100 rupees lakhs is equal to sales price, that is equal to 125. It means 20 rupees is there, that is called UP. मैं आई हूं यूपी बिहार लूटने. No beta, that is not the same. UP, that is unrealized profit. So beta ji, here you will be reducing UP 45 5905 minus 45, that is 5860, and the profit will be reduced for whom? Whose profit was credited? Beta, in the consolidated reserve and surplus, you will be reducing the profit. You know, holding company has sold. It means holding company has increased its profit. कितना था? 20. Okay. Very good. Everyone is answering perfectly. I am feeling really very happy that you all are answering in real time mode. Very, very good. Now, back to the sequence, line by line. Question is saying line by line. AS is saying line by line. Trade receivable. Beta, now move to trade receivable. Okay. Trade receivable. Beta, see. That is in current assets. Go to the notes of current assets. Although in the trade receivable, we are also included. Still, the question is saying that we are not conflicting with that. 2600, 1363, 3, 6, 4, 3, 9, 2, 1, 3. Next one. And then bills receivable. Okay, debtor is there. Okay, I am writing here debtor. Okay, beta, I am writing here debtors because both are trade receivable. So what is the bills receivable? That is 360, 199, 360, and then 199. Beta, you know there is some contra here. There is some contra that is, and that is what? I think I have calculated something wrong. UP was there 20. Sorry, 20. And what is the final figure for the same? 5885. Yes. This is what? Contra 45. And what is the figure out in the outer column? 514. Okay. Beta, by mistake, Pranav. Pranav, you message today. This is your first message today. Just to check you that you are there. I reduce that, Pranav. Okay. Now blood pressure must also be reduced. Okay. We have already covered. Now next point is there. Pranav, that was my mistake. Okay, beta. Now this is what? Short-term loans and advances. Now short-term loans and advances are there. Yes. 520 is there, and then dash, and then 520. But anything else? Now check all the current assets have been. Oh, cash and cash equivalent is there. Cash and cash equivalent 1490204. 1490204. 49 4 2 6 1. Please explain me bonus share one more time, sir. Okay, Beta Krishnan, don't worry. I will explain. But let me complete first. It was not your mistake. You are checking just or concentration. Wow, wow, Abdul. Wow. Yes. Yeah, that's the main reason. Yeah, that's the main reason, Beta. Okay. Let me do total first. Total becomes 12,576. Okay. And what are the rest? Is anything else which you need to? No. Okay, that is fourth question. Yes, we have done this. Done. Now please pack your working notes and notes to accounts, beta. See, I'm gonna pack their notes to accounts and working note, beta. Investment is there. That has not been put it here. 3,000. 3,000 is there. 3,000. 3,000. Yes, beta. That is 2640. And now 2640 there. 2640. 2640 minus 3960. That becomes 1320. That is your capital reserve. Yes, beta. The person who has answered capital reserve 1320, he is correct. Capital reserve. Let me put this figure in the consolidated reserve and surplus so that it could not be left. Capital reserve. Capital reserve. Working note number 2. 1320. 1320. Okay, beta. Now next, holding company general reserve is also there. That should also be put it here. Please, holding companies general reserve profit loss is also there. 2784 2715. Okay. Okay. General reserve estimated 2784 278 and then 4. And what about subsidiary company? 1380. 138 and then 0. And what is the total? 4 8 और 8 16 1 और 3 4 और 7 11 1 और 1 2 और 2 4 4164. कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है ना? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस 2715. डन। ओ नोट दिस, सब्सिडी कंपनी से जो आना है वही तो जुड़ेगा। एनालिसिस प्रॉफिट इज देयर, यस। वेयर इज एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट, वेट अ मिनट, दिस वन, 468, 4 6 and then 8, 4 6 8 and then in the case of profit loss 2 5 2, and what is the profit loss of holding company, that is 2 7 1 5, yes, okay। 4 8 और 6 14, 1 और 7 8 और 4 12, 1 और 2 3, ठीक है। नहीं 5 आएगा यहाँ पे, 3 2 5 2, यस। और इसमें 5 और 2 7, 1 और 5 6, 7 और 2 9 2, कितना आएगा जी? 2 9 6 7 माइनस 20 माइनस 360, 2587, 2587। टोटल क्या बन गया इसका? 1320 प्लस 3252, यानी कि ये हो गया 7159। यस 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 यस, यू आर राइट सर। वो लेस करना है ना डिविडेंड का, हाँ बेटा कर दिया, बिल्कुल बेटा लेस ही करना है, ठीक है। 360, यस लेस करना है। ये नेक्स्ट वन, I think everything is okay at now. Now posting the figure one by one. Working note 1 we have posted. Working note number 5 is there. Consolidated reserve and surplus 7159. Seven one five nine, and the correct working note number is there. That is working note number 5. What is the total? 19159. What about the note number 2? Total has been done or no? Let us total. What is the total? 487, then 2315, then 1249, then 1200, that is 5215. 5215. 5215. Now note number 3 is there, beta. Okay, let's total note number 3. Okay, already we have total. Now note number 4 is there. We have already total that also. 12576. Is there anything more? No. Now we have to put the figure directly in the financial statement. Now we are starting from the share capital shareholder fund 19157. 19157. ओके ये तो 9 है, ओ सॉरी 9, यस 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 9. Now minority interest is there. What is the total amount of minority? It is working note number 2, sorry 3, 3120 is total amount. 3120 is, that is working note number 3. 3120. Now what about non-current liabilities? No non-current liabilities there. Now current liabilities are there, yes. What is the total? Come on, current liabilities 5215. 5215 is total. Can you please give total? Better give me total of balance sheet liability side. For the timing I am putting the figure on the asset side. Non-current assets are there, yes. Non-current assets note number 3 is there, that is total of 1494954. 14954. अच्छा 5251, okay 5251. 5251 है ये, yes, sorry. Now current assets is there, Current assets total is there. That is how much? 12576. Okay. 12576. 12576. What is the total? Better left side is asset side. Please tell me. Give me total of left side. I am doing total of asset side. 27530. Okay. None of you has given. So I am doing total myself. 19159 plus 3120 plus 5251. That is same figure is there. 27530. So beta, this was the revisionary question number 5 of ICA study material, and this is a really very good question. You already practiced today in the same way in which examination practice you need. Yes, total has been given. Okay, messages are I think coming late. Anyways, now moving to the last part of this question. Sorry, this chapter. Beta, consolidation of profit and loss is also there. Consolidation of profit and loss account is there, and that is I think that is illustration number. Wait a minute, that is, I am checking the question number for you. Yes. Illustration number 12, I think. Wait a minute. Tallied. Yes, better tallied. Wait. Wait a minute, beta. Illustration number 12, I think. Beta, please open illustration number 12. Illustration number 12. Yes. Please open illustration number 12. Illustration number 12. Which type of question has highest probability to come in exam? Beta, the question we have completely practice up to the last 2 minutes. those are having the priority to come in exam. Okay, beta. Still, this type of question was also in exam. I will show you the past examination paper, and you will be feeling very easy by seeing the question. Okay. Now see, beta, illustration number 12 is there. What the question is giving us? Question has given us the statement of profit and loss. I am writing here. Question has given us statement of profit and loss, SOPL. Okay. See, sales and other incomes, in change in inventory, raw material consumed, employee benefits, production expenses, administration expenses, selling, distribution, interest, depreciation. Question has given us the data of both the companies. Beta, if both the companies are giving a consolidation, you know, now the question is for prepare a consolidated statement of profit and loss account. Now tell me just one thing. While you were consolidating the balance sheet, you were cancelling something. What was that? You were cancelling something that was mutual. What was that? Can you please tell me? And why that was? Because as a group, when we are seeing as a group, then one is showing to other one as a debtor, and another one is showing to the earlier as creditor. So as a group, while we shall be concentrating, very good Alok, we shall be cancelling the contra. The same is the case with the statement of profit and loss. If someone has sold to other one, it means one has taken as sale and another one has taken as purchase. And while we shall be calculating the as a group total sale, as a group total purchase, both of them will be cancelled. The same is the case with statement of profit and loss, as you have already practiced in the balance sheet. Beta, can I start? Yes, let's start. Beta, without wasting time, I am directly solving the question on the PDF, because in that case you will feeling very easy. First, give a total. Yes, beta, intercompany transaction, mutual loans, very good, absolutely perfect, very good beta. Now I am doing first total. First I am doing here total. Can I do total at this side? Yes, sir. If I want to know as a group total sales, first I shall be adding line by line, concentrating 6,000, then 1,200, then 1,000, then 950, then 300, then 300, then 250, then 150, then 150. Now it's the time to reduce contra. Contra items are to be reduced. If someone has included in its sales to other unit of the same group, then that has to be reduced but that has to be reduced from both the side, from sale and also from the purchase. Now see, there is an adjustment. See, there is an adjustment. What we are seeing here, that H Limited sold goods to S Limited of rupees 120 lakhs. 120 lakh. 120 lakh is what? That is sale and also the purchase. I will consider unrealized profit later on, but first I have to cancel here 120. 120 is what? That is contra. That has been included in the sales. So I am reducing from the sales and also from the purchase. And the purchase of raw material is of course in raw material consumed. So I am removing from there. Okay, beta? Minus 120. Can I expect from all of you that you will answer me whether up to this everything is okay or not? You will be reducing 120 from both the side, because the sale has been done to each other. 120 has been included in the sales and 120 has been included in the purchase also. Beta, everything is clear up to this or not? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting. Tell me, everyone. I am waiting, beta. Who will tell me that everything is okay yet now? I am waiting. Very good. Now, last point is there. Now, what about the unrealized profit? Beta, unrealized profit is there, in which you are finding the unrealized profit here. Sir, the person who has added in the profit, okay, then he will reduce. Yes. How he has added? How H Limited has added? Okay, wait a minute. One is answering raw material consumption, not clear. Beta, let me clear him first. Let me clear him first. Beta, see. See. How raw material consumed is calculated? Opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material minus closing stock of raw material, beta. Only after that you will be able to find the raw material consumed. Beta, now my question is, this purchase will including the purchased goods, the goods purchased from other unit or not? Because this is total purchase account. This is total purchase account. It means one of the unit has sold to other, then others units are having the purchase from the earlier one. It means the purchase is also including in this case. Hence, we have to reducing the contra. It means sales will also be cancelled. It means purchase will also get cancelled. I am waiting, beta. Beta, tell me, Jyoti, you are asking, beta. Jyoti, is this clear to you or not? Clear. Okay. So I am removing this thing from the question. Now see. Now my question is, 4 lakh is there, that is unrealized profit. You have calculated. Everyone has calculated. The 4 lakh has been included in the two place, at the two place. One is on the seller's profit and loss, but you have already cancelled the sale of seller. Then how you can say now that that has been included? It means if you are cancelling the sale here, it means that was considering two part, cost and profit. 116 is cost by 116 तो cost है और 4 रुपए profit है. 116 cost है, 4 रुपए profit है. 116 is cost and 4 rupees is profit. It means if you are cancelling whole, it means you are already cancelling the unrealized profit part included in the seller's profit and loss. It means only now thing remains same is to reduce the profit content included in the purchaser's inventory. Okay. And purchaser's inventory change we have considered here. I am highlighting change in inventory. If you are doing the total, it means you are merging the change of both the inventory, both of the company. Beta, how this change has been calculated? Because FG purchase and remain same in the inventory. It means beta closing stock of inventory and opening stock of inventory of FG and WIP here comes in this head. Now I am calculating on the change of FG purchase from the other unit. That change is also here. It means that change have been calculated as per the question. It means that is without reducing the unrealized profit. It means here only we have to reduce the unrealized profit beta. Can I do this? Yes. From this, you have to reduce unrealized profit of rupees 4 because the change have been considered after comparing the inventory including the change, including the unrealized profit. Now, next point is there, beta. Another adjustment is also there. What we have covered, I am highlighting here. 120 and then unrealized profit. Inventory of S Limited included 24. On that we have calculated 24 into 20 by 120. We have calculated that in this way. We have calculated this 4 lakh. We have already done the treatment. Now point is there, that is administration expenses of S Limited included 5 lakh paid to H as consultancy fees. Now see, 5 lakh is there. What is that? That is the cost. That is cost for S Limited and consultancy fees. That is revenue for H Limited. It means we have to reduce the things from both the side. Contra must be cancelled, but where the figure has not been included, that has to be reduced. Beta, wait a minute. I am coming to 4 again. Don't worry, Krishnan. Now please focus on this. 5 lakh rupees has been included in the expense of S Limited. Okay. So administration expenses are there and that has been clubbed. It means we have to cancel from here 5 rupees first. Yes. But the same has been paid to H Limited. It means H Limited has received that as consultancy fees. It means that is the part of the revenue, that is the sales and other incomes. It means from here also we have to reduce this 5. Now let me know first, this 5 is okay or not. Please write down here 5 is okay. Please write down here 5 is okay. Only after that I could be able to understand that you all have got the proper thing. Please let me know that 5 is okay to you or not? Okay. Now, again, I am moving back to 4 lakh because someone has asked again the same thing. Beta, see. For you, I am preparing this H Limited, sold goods to S Limited. In this stock, closing stock, beta, 24 lakhs is there. That is cost plus profit by 100 plus 20, that is at 120, that 24 stand. At 120, this 24 stand. It means from that we have to calculate first 24 multiplied by 20 divided by 120. It means 4 lakhs is there, that has been included in the sale by S Limited as a profit. Okay, beta. And in the hands of S, that becomes cost. Now, what I want to tell you, beta, the profit lying within the group, that must be cancelled. Now the question is for 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh has to be cancelled by S Limited, but since S Limited has already cancelled 120 as a sale, it means the content of this 4 lakh has already been cancelled. Okay, beta. Now, change in inventory is also there. In that case, the inventory has been compared by both the companies in which 4 lakh is there. That has to be cancelled only here. Okay, beta. This is what I am telling you. Now, last point of adjustment is selling expenses, selling and distribution expenses of H Limited. It means expenses of H Limited having 10 lakh paid to S Limited. But now my question is for S Limited, it is what? It is revenue. And for H Limited, it is what? It is selling and distribution expense. So 10 lakh will be reduced from both the side. From selling and distribution expenses, 10 lakh will be reduced. And beta for revenue also, 10 lakh will be reduced because those have been clubbed together. I don't think so there is any doubt in this regard. I don't think so there is so much time to utilize for the same, because these are having very, very easy things to discuss. Do you want to see the past examination question, everyone? Now, please type here icai.org and you will be finding the institute site. And here, wait a minute, www.icai.org, and we are downloading now the question student section. Board of BOS knowledge portal is there, and past examination questions are also there. See, study material, suggested answers, and past year examination questions are there. Intermediate section and advanced accounting. Beta, November 2022 question, May 2022 question. Okay, now, yes, previous year question. Yes, beta. See, November 2022 question paper is there. Now I am discussing with you on the past examination question. Beta, you will see what the easy type of questions are usually asked. Beta, question number 1 is compulsory. Okay, answer any four from rest of 5. Okay, now see, now you will see what kind of question, what the type of the questions you are having in the exam. Those are really very, very easy. Wait a minute, I am just opening the question. This is the balance sheet. I think there will be no, this is not the same. Wait a minute, again balance sheet is there. Yes, do you want to solve this? Better see what the kind of question you are having in exam. This is the latest examination question. A part is there, that is of 15 marks. Oh my god, 15 marks. And you are having the question, you know, see, H Limited is there and S Limited is there. 31st March 2022 balance sheet there. But in the asset side, you are having property, plant and equipment. Investment, 14,000 equity shares, costing rupees 2,52,000. Beta, in the books of H Limited working note, you will be preparing cost of control 252 investment cost you will put there. Current assets is there, those will be clubbed. Share capital is there, 3 lakh and 2 lakh is there. Okay. Share capital of holding company you will be putting in the notes to account. Share capital, shareholder funds, and 2 lakh capital you will be dividing in the minority and cost of control. Profit and loss account balances are there, and trade payable is also there. Now the point is that, wow, 15 marks. H Limited acquired shares on 1st July 2021. Can you please tell what is the date of balance sheet? 31st March 2022, beta. And starting date will be 1st April 2021. Now see, date of acquisition is 1st July. April, May, June. April, May, June. It means 3 months are pre. April, May, June, 3 months are pre. And the balance of profit and loss account of S Limited already given. Oh my God. That has also been given. Prepare consolidated balance sheet and its subsidy on 31st March 2022. Can you not prepare? Only one adjustment. And the question is there to prepare consolidated balance sheet. Beta, he knows that you are really expert and you will not be get confused in the adjustment. So he want to ask you here the knowledge of balance sheet also, whether you are having the scheduled presentation. So beta, along with the working note, you will be preparing the balance sheet. Okay, beta, I don't think so. This is the question level to be discussed in class. I don't think so. You have already done a lot of advanced question. Now see, this is another examination question. This is May 2022. Okay, let's search the question of consolidated financial statement. The balance sheet has been given. Okay. Okay, this is the question of amalgamation. Okay, now the balance sheet has been given. Oh, wow, wow, very good, very good. Prepare consolidated balance sheet. Beta, see, how many marks are there? 15 marks. Oh, again 15 marks. Sir, what is the question number? Beta, question number 3. Sir, what was the question number in the earlier exam? Question number 3. Question number 3A. Are you feeling the confidence? Question number 3A. Question number 3A in the same next exam also, earlier exam also. Beta, what they are saying? White Limited acquired, see, 2250 shares of Black Limited, beta, on 1st October 2020. Date of acquisition is 1st October 2020. And what the balance sheet date is? 31st March 2021. Beta, see, how many number of shares are there? So we can calculate by dividing 100, that is 3000. Subsidy company, that is Black Limited. Now see, beta, reserve and surplus are also there. Yes, those reserve and surplus have been given on 31st March 2021. That is the ending date, balance sheet date, year ending date. In the analysis profit, you will be posting it as working note, analysis profit, closing balance. Yes. Now question is, you have to find out the 1st October profit and loss balance. Now see, trade payables are there, current assets are there, shares, cost of investment is there, 2,70,000. That will be put in the working note number 1. Very good. Okay. Let me check pre and post acquisition. Very good. April, May, June, July, August, September. Yes, very good, beta. Absolutely perfect. Abdul, 6 months is pre, 6 months is post. I think you will be feeling the confidence. See what question is saying. During the year, Black Limited fabricated machine which is sold to White Limited. Beta, is this necessary that both the company will deal in only in the goods? The sale is being cancelled. Okay, beta. Now the point is that sold to White Limited for 39,000. The transaction is being completed on 30th March 2021. Beta, nothing is there to consider. If any profit has been added, then only that has to be cancelled. Now, cash in transit. Cash in transit. Okay, cash in transit is there. There will nothing to cancel. Profit during the year, evenly, that is always pre-assumed. So there is no benefit of these line. Now, the balance of reserve and surplus on 1st April 2020, beta, opening balance has been given. Can you please distribute such into 6 months? Yes, definitely. You are required to prepare consolidated balance sheet. Oh my God, they are not even asking that adjustment of dividend, bonus, etc., abnormal loss, revaluation. You have done a lot of things. You have done a lot of things, beta. And these are the suggested answer. December 2021. Do you want a single PDF in which you will be finding all the things? Yeah, but if profit will be there, only then that will be cancelled. But there is no profit. Anyways, do you want a single PDF in which you will be able to find out all the question of study material along with the question of the past examination? If you want, then I have something for you, beta. I think I have given here. I think I have given here. Wait a minute. I will be giving here again a single PDF in which you will be having all the question of past examination question also. I have prepared a combined PDF, beta. I don't think so. You will be feeling any burden. Okay, beta. In the earlier batch, सर all chapters के हैं या क्या आपके पास? Yes, बेटा प्रणव, all chapters के हैं, but I am having the limitation to give only to related to the chapters for which I am here. Okay, beta. You can request to ICI, then I in that case I may definitely provide to ICI to provide you all, beta. See, if you want to see a single PDF in which you will be finding all the illustrations and practical questions and past examination question for the chapter, then beta, please download the PDF of this chapter which we have uploaded in the earlier session PDF notes. Okay, so you can download from there. That is the same PDF. Okay, so guys, this was the chapter which you have practiced with me. I hope I could satisfy to all of you. Sir, can you make a WhatsApp group for this batch? Beta, I am not authorized to give my number or anything else because these are the ethics as per guideline pointed to us. Rest, I want to completely practicing with you all. I want to practice with you all the chapters. I want to revise all the chapters, but that will be subject to permission of ICI and only at the ICI platform, because in the English, there is no marathon, but I want to do for all of you. So it will be only totally depend on you that if you will be posting your feedback to respected ICI, then definitely ICI will provide such an arrangement. And for me, I want a lifetime memory from all of you. If you really feel like this, then please give a Google review. Okay, beta? Whatever the feelings you are having, and also post it to ICI also. Yes, beta, always blessing is there. Beta, you can search, you will be finding. Okay, beta, I have given free of cost. You can search any at YouTube and Google, then you will be finding totally free of cost. Complete revision. Group 1, Group 2. Anyways, okay, bacho, this was my journey with you all. I hope I could give you satisfaction to the best of my level. Okay, then. Bye-bye, bacho. Please post your feedback to ICI. I will be die-heartedly waiting for your feedback. Okay? Bye, beta. Sir.